Hey guys, welcome back. If you don't already know, my name is Monique Miner, creator of Monique Miner Skin and a wax specialist. Today we are going to demonstrate waxing your underarms from home. Okay, I'm seeing it everywhere. Everyone's waxing from home. So I just want to show you how to do it correctly. Today's video is brought to you by Tress Wellness. You can actually purchase their kit on Amazon. It's only about 50 something dollars. It comes with a wax pot, 5 different hard waxes. It comes with a pre and post wax spray. Show you guys that here, and a few sticks. If you guys have not watched my previous video on Tress Wellness, make sure you guys check that out. I'll also have that link down below where I demonstrated how to set up your wax pot and a leg wax, okay? So I have grown out my underarms for you guys, okay? Don't talk mess about me. Look at these. Well, we're gonna take care of that today, okay? So when you're waxing at home, you wanna make sure that you set up just like if you were waxing on a client. I have my paper towel here. I'm actually gonna use this right in here so I don't get anything on my shirt, because waxing from home and doing your underarms honestly is not that easy. So you may have a little drip, okay? Put that there. We are gonna start with, if I can talk today, the pre-wax spray. You guys, this smells so good. It smells like coconut. So this is going to cleanse and it's gonna prep your skin for wax. Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of coconut. And when waxing your underarms, you want to apply in the direction where your hair is going. So if your hair lays this way, then you want to apply this way. If your hair lays this way, apply this way. Myself, if you guys can see close up, my hair just is kind of everywhere. So we're just going to apply it. We're going to apply it. I'm also going to pull my hair back, you guys, because I definitely do not want to get any wax in my hair. The other video, I talk about the temperature of the wax, how to check it, what consistency you need. So again, if you watch this video before you do wax yourself, check out the other video because it's more detailed. Here's the consistency that you want. See how I have full control over the wax? Okay, again, you guys, this is not easy, and I'm gonna be doing this with my left hand. So I'm using a lot of pressure. And you wanna make sure you create your lip. My wax strip is not going to look pretty at all because this is not easy. I am stretching my arm as far as I can. Some people hold it this way. You can do that too, like this. But I'm just stretching it as far as I can here. All right, you guys. Hard wax does set up pretty quickly. Woo, woo, woo. I'm not looking forward to this pool. It doesn't hurt when someone else does it on me, and it actually doesn't hurt me either. It's just the thought of pulling it off myself. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hold my skin taut here, get a hold of it, and remove. Woo! Look at that. Can you guys see the hair? And can you guys see the roots? That is a good strip. There you go. I hope you guys can see the roots. Do you see the little bulbs on top? That's getting the hair from the root. Okay, we're gonna go again. And you guys, I did grab another stick, just like this. Even though I'm waxing from home, I still like to use a new stick each time I dip, because who knows, like if you have a family member over, a friend over, they may want you to wax them. So I keep my wax pot clean, even my personal pot. All right, here we go again. Ooh. Not a beautiful strip. Okay, it's already ready. Here we go again, you guys. Woo. Once again, another good strip. I hope you guys can see the bulbs in this. I don't know if you can. You guys, when I'm waxing clients, I will literally, after I remove a strip, I will check it for the bulbs and just see how wonderful of a strip I made. All right, so we are gonna have to do a touch-up strip, you see? Just with one pass on each part. Got pretty good removal. And I'm not worried about these two pieces at the moment because I am gonna do that touch-up strip. So I need to do a little bit here and on here. You guys, it is so important. I don't want to stress this enough to make sure you guys check out the other video so you can learn how your wax, the consistency of your wax should be. You do not want to burn yourself. You don't want to lift skin at all. That would be so uncomfortable in your underarm area. That would suck. You guys, this is something good to practice. When I train, this is one thing that I have my trainees do. You want control over your wax. Go ahead and do a touch up. Not gonna be a pretty strip, but it's gonna get the job done. Not a pretty strip at all. Let me show you guys a trick. Up here, see how thin that is? And I did not make a lip. What you can do is any wax that's left on your stick, go ahead and you like make a tab. I do not like to use my stick and flick this off because you're lifting your skin when you do that too. And it can irritate your skin or lift your skin and remove your skin. So I had a little hair up here. That's why I went that far up. But see, I'll put this on and it's just gonna attach to it. Shiny side to shiny side. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and hold my skin taut here and just do a relaxed pull because it's just a touch-up strip. See that? All right, you guys, let's go ahead and move on to this side. Be a little easier with my my right arm, my right hand. So I'm gonna remove this so I can put it on this side. Before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the after wax spray. And this is just gonna soothe your skin and it'll remove any wax that may be left over. Nice and smooth. Okay, let's prep the other side. Pre-wax spray. Look at that hair. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and tuck this in again so we don't get any on our clothes. So this side, I just went for the full thing. I tell you, it's not easy to wax with my left hand. So you guys see me struggle a little bit. Okay, it sets up very quickly. It's already ready to remove. My tab here, hold my skin taut, and pull. You guys see how I even remove that? Way easier than the other side. My right hand is strong. Again, you guys can see the bulbs. Beautiful, beautiful wax strip. As a professional, I do recommend this wax if you want to purchase a wax kit for your home. Okay, we'll go ahead and do a touch-up strip. Of course, if you guys are waxing yourself, I'm not using any gloves, but if I am waxing a client, whether it's in the salon or a friend at home, a family member at home, I still use gloves to protect myself and them. Okay, gonna go ahead and get a hold of this, holding my skin taut, and remove. Beautiful. I just need one. I have to move my shirt down a little bit. Just have a little hair right here that I missed. New stick. Having control over my wax. Just gonna hold this down. And I'm holding my skin taut at the same time, but I just wanna get this little hair that wants to grow further down. Create a lip. You guys see that? It's already set. Ta-da! Remove. We're gonna use the aftercare. Remove the little wax that's left. Yes! I am so happy that I have no more underarm hair. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope I was able to help you with tips and tricks on waxing your underarms. You see, even as a professional, doing this underarm with my left hand is not easy for me, but I just want to make sure that when you guys are waxing from home, because I know people are doing it right now, times have changed. You may not be able to make it into the salon to get waxed. Just want you to be safe. Make sure you are taking care of your skin and you're doing it properly. Again, I want to thank Tress Wellness for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys, again, go online to Amazon. I'll have the link down below to purchase this kit. The kit does come with 5 small bags like this of hard wax. It does come with a wax pot, 2 sprays before and after, large sticks, small sticks for the face, and we will get to a face video soon. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy waxing, safe waxing. Safe waxing from home, you guys. Enjoy.